Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's bumper on the Polaris RZR Pro XP. So let's jump right in. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and remove our front fascia off the machine. Remove the following screws, this one here, as well as this one here, and then on the same exact position on the opposite side. And once we have all the screws removed, we'll just grab a hold of the front fascia here, go ahead and remove it, and we'll set it aside for the time being. And then if you have a factory bumper installed, this is going to be the time you're going to want to go ahead and remove it from your bumper brackets here. We don't have one installed on our machine, so what we're going to do is the 4 bolts that hold the bumper brackets into place, we're going to go ahead and loosen them up. We're not going to remove them, we're just going to kind of crack them loose. Just like that. See, we left them kind of loose there. It's not super loose to the point it's going to want to rotate and fall down or anything like that. They're loose enough that we can get our bumper installed. We're going to take our bumper. We're going to go ahead and slide it into position. These bars right here are going to go through these positions in the fascia. And then this portion right here is going to line up right on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the M10 hardware. We're going to line up our holes on our factory bumper brackets. We'll slide our bolts through on either side. Then we'll grab a couple of our M10 nylock nuts. Just go ahead and get them nice and started there. That way the bumper doesn't want to fall down. Once we have our nut good and started, we're going to go ahead and push down on the tabs of our grill. And we'll just go ahead and pop it right out of the way. Once it's popped out of the way, we're going to grab our last 2 bolts. They should be the same exact size as this right here. And then there's going to be a hole right back down through here on the bumper, and it'll line up with the factory bumper bracket. Go ahead and start our bolt through there, get our nut started, and do the same thing over here on this opposite side. Once we have all 4 of these bolts started, we're going to go ahead and grab the shorter bolts with a 15mm head. We're going to get our bumper aligned with the frame tab right here. Take our bumper tube and line it up with the frame. Start it in there by hand. And we'll go over here to the opposite side and we'll do the same thing. So after we have our hardware installed to our bumper tubes, we're going to go down here and we're going to go ahead and fully tighten all the hardware that we previously installed into the lower portion of the bumper. I like to run everything up evenly. You got to make sure that you get it adjusted properly. So once you have all your hardware started, we're going to go ahead and take our grill and slide it back into position here. Like that. Then we'll go ahead and tighten up our hardware for our bumper tubes. Thing on this opposite side. Not going to fully tighten it, we're just going to run it in. And we're going to go ahead and tighten our hardware on the front, and we will fully tighten this hardware. What you got to do is you just got to stick your open end of your wrench up underneath here to get on the head of that nut or head of that bolt. Go through and make sure it's all fully tightened. And then we're going to go back down here to where our bumper brackets are on the frame. And we'll go ahead and fully tighten those now. And then we'll fully tighten our bumper tubes. Once we have all our hardware tightened, we're going to go ahead and grab our fascia. Get it slid back into position. We'll go ahead and fully tighten it as well. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's front bumper on the RZR Pro XP. For more information on this front bumper or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.